What's going on? So today we got a video from Blue Line Body Cam, and the title of the video is Drunk 20-year-old driving with no wheel swears he's sober. So let's get into the video. Let's see what they actually talking about here.
This man claims he is sober and safe to drive, even though his tire just fell off his car. Despite officers finding the suspect driving on rims, he is adamant that he is safe to drive.
I'm sober, man. What the hell? Give me a break. Tire fell off. You acting like it's my fault. What did I do? I got a lawyer. I got a lawyer. I got a good ass lawyer.
But these no-nonsense officers won't hear it.
Charles 60 at traffic stop.
How the hell the wheel fall off and you don't feel that? Look at the tire. Like, that thing gotta be rotting bumpy as heck. Like this, shaking.
Put your hands up now.
Right now?
Put them in the air, yeah.
What did I do?
Face your car.
What did I even do? God, man, give me a break.
Chains behind your back.
For what?
Do it now.
I am, but like for what? I don't even know what I did.
Do you have any weapons?
No, man, I was just parking over.
Step back from your car.
Why are you having my hands behind my back for? I didn't even do anything.
Top of your head.
Yes, sir, man. I ain't doing nothing.
Spread your feet.
God, what, did I do something to you? What is this? Dude, my car was all fucked up, man. Like, what in the hell?
Turn around and walk towards mine.
Oh, so don't talk to me. I appreciate it. What the hell, man? I didn't do nothing. Is there a reason for this?
Face my car.
Okay.
Or face me.
Just continue not answering my questions.
Put your hands down to your sides.
Dude.
Why is your car all messed up?
Bro, this is an old car.
That's what makes it messed up?
2006, man.
Okay.
Trying
Why
to figure it
is
out.
there no tire? Why'd the tire fall off?
What are you talking about tire falling off?
The tire fell off your car.
Well, that would help, you know, and that.
Hey, will you turn my lights down?
Where did my tire fall off?
It fell off right over here.
And that's my fault, man? Like, dude, give me a break.
You gonna
My
continue
car.
to raise your voice at me?
I'm just saying, man, my tire fell off and you're acting like it's my fault. Like,
Yeah.
what the hell?
You probably hit something.
No, I didn't. Okay?
How much you had to drink tonight?
Dude, I didn't have nothing to drink.
What's the alcohol smell coming from you?
I don't know. I have nothing to drink.
You've been drinking, obviously.
No, I haven't.
Okay. Why are your pants down?
That's how I am, man. That's how I fucking roll. Like,
Oh, is it like a message you're sending?
No, I don't send it to cops. I don't like, hey, let me slide my pants a little bit. Just
Well, I'm just wondering.
You know where that started, right? Listen. Do you know where the pants sagging started from? Pants sagging started from inside the prisons. That's where pants sagging started from. If you sagged your pants in prison, it meant that you was, you know, you was you down with, you know what I'm saying? You down with fornicating with another man, okay? Yeah. You know, and then as people started to get released from jail or whatever, it came off into the street. Now it's more like a fashion thing. People think it's cool. It's not really, it don't really mean that you gay, but that's really where it stemmed from inside the prisons.
Why we're standing out here in public with your pants
Dude,
down
I was
below
figuring
you?
out my damn car. Can you not see that? Like, what the hell? Why you gotta press me over this?
Because the tire fell off your car while you're driving
Dude,
down
I
the
will
road.
call my dad and have a new tire put on, man.
Okay.
Swear to God.
How much alcohol you had? I'm gonna ask you again. I want you to be
Nothing.
honest with me. Okay. Put your hands down to your side.
What the hell?
You see the tip of my finger?
I ain't doing no test, man.
All right. Put your hands behind your back. You're under arrest.
I ain't doing nothing.
You're under arrest for DUI.
For what?
You heard me right.
I
DUI,
did.
OVI.
I'm not even intoxicated.
Okay.
What the hell? Dude, I'm not even intoxicated, man.
What do you call it?
What do you mean what you call it?
What do you call what you are right now?
Sober? Dude, Come on.
You have the right to remain silent, okay? Anything you say can be used against you in court.
For what?
You have the right to an attorney.
For what?
You can't afford an attorney.
I'm not even. I'm sober, man. What the hell? Why are you fucking handcuffing me?
Because you're under arrest for driving
For
under
what?
the influence.
Under the influence of what?
Alcohol.
I'm not fucking intoxicated.
You are.
Alright, I'm 20, so how the fuck am I intoxicated?
You're underage intoxicated.
How the
That's
hell
even
am I
worse.
intoxicated?
Walk back here.
Dude,
Get off of me.
dude, I didn't even fucking. How can you just arrest me like that? What
Because
the
you're
fuck?
drunk, dude.
I'm not drunk. What the hell, dude? You see what you doing? What the fuck did I do?
Sit in the car.
I ain't fucking under arrest, man.
Yes, you are.
I ain't do shit.
There's another charge for you.
How
right
can
now.
he fucking do that if I didn't do nothing?
You're resisting. You're going to go to jail.
For what?
Just get in
Sit
the
down.
car.
For what?
Sit down.
For what?
Go there.
You're under arrest.
For what?
We'll be alright. We always hit.
I'm not even intoxicated, man. You can't just do that to a fucking normal citizen.
Right now.
I'm a good citizen, man. He's putting me in here like I'm fucking nothing.
They gonna get you
Fucking
together.
Intoxicated, nigga. I ain't intoxicated, man. You're fucking shoving me in here like an
We're
asshole.
not shoving you.
Yeah, he is.
Come on, man. Put your foot.
I'm not intoxicated, God damn it.
Come on.
You guys are being assholes. I'm not intoxicated.
They should switch roles. She's not strong enough to pull him. Like, they should have switched roles. She command to get him in. If he's not going in, one got to go on the other side, pull from the top, and the other one kind of just guides the feet in. She would be better at just guiding the feet, you know, moving, handling the feet. But because she's not strong enough to yank him in there.
God damn it. Ow. I ain't bugging my fist. You guys are assholes. Fucking unnecessary shit, man. I ain't do nothing to you. What the fuck? No. No, man. I ain't do nothing. I ain't do shit.
You can act like an adult or a kid.
I ain't do nothing, god damn it. What the fuck? You're acting like a kid. I ain't do shit.
You're acting like a kid right now.
What did I do? You guys won't even
Get in the
explain it
car.
to me, man.
to you once you get in the car.
No, man. I ain't do shit.
You're acting like a kid right now.
Cause I ain't do nothing.
Oh,
You
okay.
guys
They
are
got a
fucking
man over there. All right.
criminal.
He gonna get in there.
I ain't doing shit.
There we
You're
go.
an asshole.
There we go.
I ain't do nothing to you, man. What the fuck? Dude, what the fuck? I ain't do shit to you. You gotta explain the shit, man.
Get in the car.
No.
You see how one has to
didn't
guide the
explain
feet?
shit. You just put me in here like a fucking animal, nigga. What the fuck did I do? You got a nigga from the other side. Like, what the hell?
Wait, hold on. Hold on now. Hold on now. What? What he said?
I ain't do shit to you. You gotta explain the shit, man.
Get in the car.
No. You didn't explain shit. You just put me in here like a fucking animal, nigga. What the fuck did I do? You got a nigga from the other side. Like, what the hell? I don't even understand what I did. I'm not a fucking American. What the hell? You guys are fucking assholes. Yeah, my fucking right's my ass. What the fuck is this shit? You guys are just fucking forcing me in here, like, for what?
Move your
For
leg
what?
in the car.
It's there.
For what? What are you being an asshole? Get off of me!
Close the door.
Yeah, close the door, my ass. What to God? Like, what the fuck? What are you arresting me for? What am I being arrested for?
Sit down.
I can ask that question, you asshole. What am I being arrested for? Yeah, fuck you, man.
I just saw him parked up here at the intersection, just sitting in the street.
Yo, let me go home, man.
13 available, 2208.
Let me go home, bro. Let me go home.
As soon as I pulled up, he jumped out of the car, started walking back, yelling at me like, "What are you doing?" So I just patted him down and walked back here.
Dude, what did I do, man? What the fuck? I hope you know I got a lawyer. I got a lawyer. I got a good ass lawyer too, you little fuck. I hope you know that I got a good ass fucking lawyer. Dude, what the fuck? I ain't fucking intoxicated, you fucking asshole! You asshole! I ain't fucking intoxicated, you little fuck face! How about you come fucking say it to my fucking face? All you do is fucking write up bullshit, you fucking asshole!
What happened to me?
I took a picture of the car where it was at.
Yo, how can you take my fucking car with no proof I'm drunk? You guys literally have no proof that I'm drunk.
What about all
No
the...
test, no nothing.
Okay.
What?
I'm just agreeing with you.
I got court fucking not even a week, man. I gotta deal with your shit too? Your shit too, man. You don't even have a fucking reason to pull me over and you're fucking taking me for what? And you still won't even tell me why I'm fucking getting pulled over and fucking... It's because of a DUI, you say, even though you have no idea if I'm even intoxicated or not. Because it's called a fucking test and you didn't even do the test.
Well, that's where we're going. We're going to offer you the test.
No, I'm not going to take a test, you fuck.
Okay. Well,
Fuck you.
You keep talking about a test. I'm going to give you one if
Dude,
you
I'm
want
gonna
it.
be late for. I'm not even gonna be able to go to work tomorrow because your ass. And you know I'm not intoxicated, man. I'll just go home and go to sleep. But you fucking just like literally. I'm not saying just you, but I'm just saying. By the way the situation's looking, it's looking like you're trying to fuck me up even more. You pulled me over in a parking lot.
How'd you get a flat tire?
Dude,
that's
you know
what I
that's
was
not
concerned
intentional,
about.
man. Like what the hell? Who in?
You ain't even get a flat tire. You got no tire. How did you get no tire? That whole thing just rolled right off that thing. Like, come on, man. You ain't get a flat tire. You got no tire, and you don't feel that. You riding on the rim. You like this. Like, that thing is probably shaking and rattling, all types of craziness.
Originally fucking causes a flat tire.
Nobody.
No one.
You probably had an accident. That's what I'm saying.
I didn't have no accident either, man. I mean, like, my tire went flat because I ran over some shit. I'm 20, man. I'm too young for this shit. Dude, like, I swear to God, I love fucking people, man. Like, why the fuck you got me arrested like this, dude? You're such a fucking asshole. Yeah, I'm talking to you, you fuckface that decides to fucking ignore me.
Show some accountability, young man.
Yeah, you little prick. I thought he fucking knew he was right. Like, fuck off. God damn, you got 20 officers away from me? What the fuck is this shit?
What could I do for the last 2 hours? Stand here
How we doing?
What?
Other than being here, you're
I
alright?
love doing this.
No, man, I'm not even intoxicated and they act like I'm intoxicated.
Yeah, okay. Alright, let me get you out of here. We're gonna bring you in. Alright?
No, man, but there's no fucking
Swing in.
fast way around this shit.
Careful.
God damn it. I swear to God, man, I ain't this shit. Putting me for no fucking reason, man.
Jordan was charged with OVI, disorderly conduct, resisting arrest, unsafe vehicle, and failure to drive in marked lanes. He never consented to any alcohol testing, but he pleaded guilty to OVI and disorderly conduct and was sentenced to a total of 210 days in jail, which was suspended,
Suspended.
leaving him
Okay.
time served of 24 days. He was also enrolled in a 2-year intensive probation program, including substance abuse monitoring. He was handed a 1-year driver's license suspension and fines and fees of $3,900. At Blue Line Body Cam.
Okay, because at first I'm like 210 days in jail. We see people do far worse things and get no jail time, but now, okay, it was suspended, time served. What? Okay, that means they holding it over his head. You know what I'm saying? Whatever, but he ain't got to do that time right now. So okay, all right. I was about to say that's extreme. You know, I ain't gonna lie. You know what I mean? But Yeah, so I give these officers a 3. 3 out of 5. Did pretty good. Did pretty good. So, whatever. Hell, want to take no test? All right, put your hands behind your back. It's a wrap. All right. Let me know how well you think the officers did in the comment section below, and I'm going to catch you in the next video.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.